Well, it's Thursday, May 29th, 2014. Emerging for her debut is Class of 49, a 1949 22-foot Shepherd utility that we have completely restored from her Fireball 327 V8 engine to her hull, the upholstery, she's now sporting NOS spots and a proper stern pole. And we just completed the lettering yesterday. Class of 49, Winter Harbor, Lake Winnipesaukee, New Hampshire. You will want to watch for her on the lake. She'll be very, very hard to miss. We put two very substantial mufflers in the system, but still, Class of 49 has a bark, and you will hear that bark from far, far away as she roars through the water on Lake Winnipesaukee starting this summer. We really spared no expense. All the hardware has been re-chromed by Mickey Dupuis in Holyoke, Massachusetts. We had our fabricator duplicate a design that I am applying to all trailer towers so that the winch is above the forward lifting point, and so that the winch cord never touches the boat, save for the one point, the front lifting rod, where it is hooked on. We are very pleased with the results, and in a couple of days, early next week maybe, we'll pick a fine day. Her new owners are going to trek to Snake Mountain Boat Works and follow us out to Lake Champlain for what will be a truly celebratory first ride in Class of 49. She's not been in the water for many years. I can't wait to put her there again. We will video the event, of course, and share it with you. But until then, here she is in all her glory, just thirsting to be on the water. Thank you very much, Karen and Dick, for your purchase and supporting completing her restoration. Bye-bye for now.